In this video, we'll be making cupcake cake pops. This creation is the perfect size to indulge in and adds a nice decorative touch to any event.
The first thing that you need to do is make the cake. We used yellow cake mix and followed the instructions on the box. This is a really fun recipe to make with little ones. After baking, make sure to allow enough time for the cake to cool before handling. Now it's time to get your hands dirty. Just crumble it all up. It's time to add the frosting. I started with 2 tablespoons. Mix it in well using your hands. I added 2 more tablespoons of frosting. You'll know it's well incorporated when it's sticky enough to make a tight ball. Place them on a baking sheet and put in the freezer for 10 to 20 minutes. I melted about 3/4 of a cup of white chocolate chips and added about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I then mixed in food coloring. Dip the straw in the melted chocolate before inserting into the cake ball. After the straws have been placed, I put them back in the freezer for about 5 minutes. These are larger than traditional cake pops, so I'm using straws instead of lollipop sticks. Now it's time to dip them in the chocolate and get ready to decorate. I cut a hole at the bottom of cardboard cups and inserted the straw to give the illusion of a cupcake. I decorated with frosting on top and added sprinkles for the full effect. Now it's time to enjoy. These are absolutely delicious. They're so soft and creamy and less messy than a cupcake. So much better. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.